Hello friends, welcome to my channel Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about Google Automation Tool. This is a keyword research tool which helps you to find trending topics for both website and YouTube channel. So if you want to start any YouTube channel or any websites, you can find trending topics or titles with this tool. With this tool, you can generate the report of analysis and comparison report of different keywords and different product and services. Let's go to my laptop screen. I will show you how this Google automation tool will helps you to find the keyword research. Okay, this is my laptop screen. Go to your Google Chrome, log into your Gmail account, go to Google search, type Google Trends, Google Google Trends, Trends, Google Trends. Page is loading. Click on the first link, Google Trends. So this is a Google Trend page website. Here there is an option called Explore Trending Searches, Year in Search and Subscription. So you first go to the search field, you enter your keyword, whatever the keyword you want to research. Okay, example, you take any of the FMCG company. Type example Amazon. See the trend is showing. The trend is showing 50%. Okay, it's only for India. It's showing for India. Past 12 months for all categories, including web search. So below that, if you scroll down, so this is showing state-wise in India: Delhi 100%, Telangana 100%, Puducherry 96%, Tamil Nadu 87%. Like this, according to the state-wise, it will show the data. So another scroll down, you will get the related topics. Related topics called factory outlet shops topic, mini market, and subscription business model. These are related topics related to Amazon. So here the related queries. So you will also get the queries about Amazon. So scroll up right now. So it is showing the past 12 months. So on categories. If you want to search any particular category of Amazon, beauty and fitness. See. So product, beauty and fitness. It is showing 75% trends. If you want to do write any of the blogs or YouTube channel, you can write on this blog. Okay, so if you want to see the trend in another country, so click this and go to the country options. Whatever the country, whichever the country you want to select, I will select Belgium. It is loading. See, in Belgium, so product of beauty and fitness of Amazon, it's showing a trend of around 25-30 to almost reaching to 75%. So it is showing the sub-region wise. Sub-region wise data is available here, and related topics and the queries is also available. So if you want to select another category, example, book and literature. See, in the category of book and literature, it is showing the trend of around 55 to 75% trending. If you want to this particular category, if you want to see the worldwide trending, just click here, come scroll down up and click worldwide. See, the worldwide trending is almost around 100%. 100% is very good trend is showing. If you start writing the blogs about any books and literatures, it is a good trending. It will get good audience and it will reach also very good. If you want to create a YouTube channel, if you want the keyword to search and do the research in particular keyword, so there is an option called YouTube search. Click this and click on YouTube search. See, so you in YouTube search there is a trending almost showing the downward below 50%, below 50%, and it's fluctuating around between 50 to 60. If we change the categories, business, business, computer and electronics. See the computer and electronics, the trend is showing 75% to 80%, like this. If you want to select any country wise, you can select this option. If you want to see the trending in the last 6 months, see that last 30 days, 90 days, and 5 years. See the 90 days, past 90 days report. It is showing. The report of the Amazon in computer and electronics category in YouTube search, it is showing the trend of from 50 to 75 and again showing a downward trend, almost crossing to the 55 to 60. So like this, you can do the keyword research. So if you want to do the comparison report of different companies, different product or services, you go here, click on this, click and write the company name or product or service name. I will write Flipkart. Press enter. See, the showing the Flipkart, the trending showing only below 20%. Amazon trend showing more than 50,000. If you want to compare another product or the company, click add comparison. Click eBay. Press enter. See eBay showing below 10%. Like this, if you want to change the country comparison report, click this. Or if you want to research any another keyword, click on the tab enter search, type your keyword. I will type website development development course. Press enter. The page is loading. See the trend showing the website development course. The trend showing, so from 75 to fluctuating. It's almost a fluctuating report. In Delhi, the report showing state-wise Delhi is 100%, Tamil Nadu 88%, Maharashtra 77%, Uttar Pradesh 57%. It is showing the data of India. Okay. See, in website development course, it's a related topic. It is suggesting you to related topics. HTML programming language. You can select this one. Computing field of study. Computing and freelancing job title. React, JavaScript, and computer topics. Like this website development course, you can also select different type of keywords and different types of topics. Based on this, this automation tool will suggest you the different topics and related queries, and help you to get the trending topics for your blogs or your YouTube search. So I will select another topic. So click the Google Trends again, go back. I will select the topic Python programming language. Python programming language. See, the Python programming language data is showing almost 60 to 75, 80, almost trending reaching to 75%. Okay, so it is suggesting the topic of collab topics, expert topics, assignment, computer science, macOS operating system. Like this, it will also suggest the related topics and related queries. Okay, I will compare this Python programming language to another language. See, click on compare. Type R programming language. I will type R programming language. See, the data is showing, so R programming language as less trendy compared to the Python. Okay, I will add another language called Java. Java programming language. Click OK. See, Java is almost equal to Python. Is both are trending. Like this, there is a data of state wise, and you will also get complete R programming, Java programming related queries and related topics. If you want to write any blogs, any website, any YouTube channels, if you select any of this Python or Java languages courses, anything, so it will reach more customer, it will get good engagements. So it is showing the data of India. So if we can select the data of any other country also. See, I will select another country. I will select Egypt. See, in Egypt, it is almost showing Python is a trending topic compared to the Java. So R is nowhere. So it's also showing that data of region wise related queries like this. So like this Google Trend automation tool help you to select the trending topics. Thanks for watching my channel, Real Road Tech. That's all for today. I hope this Google automation tool will help you in finding the trending topics for your website and YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like to my channel. In future also, I will bring interesting videos for you which is helps in digital marketing research and other businesses. Thank you.